To make the mukimo, peel the potatoes all the way around. Remove any eyes and imperfections. Add them to a bowl of water. Wash the potatoes. Depending on the kind of potatoes you're using and where you got them from, you can use them unpeeled. Just clean them thoroughly. My potatoes are so large, so I'll be cutting them into smaller pieces so that they can cook evenly. Let's go cook the potatoes. To a pot, add some vegetable oil. Add a thinly sliced red onion and let it fry. The onion will add some flavor to the potatoes. Now add the potatoes. Add some salt to taste and mix that in. Top that with some water, just enough to cover the potatoes. Cover and let that cook. For the green part of the mukimo, clean, dry and add the spinach to a pot. Add some salt and water. Cover and let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until soft. I'll be using 1 cob of sweet corn. You can use any soft maize that you have. Remove the corn from the cob. Wash the corn to remove any dirt. Top that with a little water and let's head to the stove top. Cover and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. The spinach should be ready by now. Drain the spinach to a mixing bowl. Blend the spinach until smooth. I'm using a hand blender. You can use a regular blender or a food processor. I prefer the hand blender because it gives me fewer utensils to clean. A win is a win, guys. That looks perfect. Let's check on the potatoes. They are well cooked and soft enough. Drain any excess juice to a bowl. We will use that later in case it's too dry. Mash the potatoes until they are smooth. Add the blended spinach and mix it in. Add the sweet corn and mix them in as well. That looks amazing. Let's quickly make the beef stew. To a pot, add some vegetable oil and let it heat up. Add the red onion and cook until translucent. Add the chopped tomatoes and let them cook until they are soft and fully broken down. Add the coriander stems and mix them in. Now let's add the beef cut. Season with 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, paprika, ginger, white pepper and salt to taste. Mix until they are fully incorporated. Let that cook for 5 minutes. Add a little water and mix it in. Cover and cook until it's well done. Finally, garnish with the coriander leaves. That's perfect and ready to eat. Now let's plate. This dish is delicious and very filling. It's healthy and packed with nutrients and flavor. Check out this video where I make another delicious dinner. See you there.